A shadow has fallen over the career of NBA superstar Zion Williamson. Once hailed as a generational talent destined to redefine basketball, he now finds himself at the heart of a harrowing legal storm. A woman identified only as Jane Doe has filed a lawsuit in Los Angeles Superior Court, accusing the New Orleans Pelicans forward of raping her twice, psychologically tormenting her, and threatening her life in a chilling saga that spans several years. Welcome to Star Corner US. Please like and subscribe. The lawsuit, filed on Thursday, reads like a script from a psychological thriller, a tale of power, fear, and alleged abuse cloaked in silence until now. According to court documents, the alleged nightmare began in 2020 when Williamson, then 20 years old and already an NBA sensation, allegedly forced himself on Doe during a visit to a Beverly Hills mansion. She claims that despite her repeated pleas to stop, Williamson overpowered her, allegedly assaulting her physically and verbally, hurling racist and sexist slurs that left her terrified and humiliated. What followed, according to Doe, was not healing, but a deepening descent into psychological horror. She alleges that Williamson manipulated her into silence, coercing her to stay in a relationship she never wanted. His wealth, status, and entourage became tools of oppression rather than protection. In one of the most disturbing parts of the lawsuit, she accuses him of deploying an armed bodyguard, not for his own safety, but to allegedly stalk, monitor, and intimidate her into submission. Zion Williamson raped me, threatened to kill me, and made sure I could never escape, the woman says in the complaint, detailing years of fear and emotional breakdowns. She alleges that he told her she would go missing if she spoke out, a threat that haunted her every waking moment. She says she felt imprisoned in a nightmare that no one would believe, until now. Attorney Sam Taylor of the Lanier Law Firm, who is representing the plaintiff, issued a powerful statement. This case is not about seeking fame or attention. This is about a woman who endured years of torment at the hands of someone the world idolizes, someone who used fame as a shield for horrific behavior. She is standing up now not just for herself, but for anyone who's ever been silenced by power. The pair allegedly met in 2018 when Williamson was a college basketball phenomenon at Duke University. At the time, Jane Doe was working in the entertainment industry. What began as a professional acquaintance allegedly spiraled into a coercive relationship that was, she claims, fueled by fear, manipulation, and repeated sexual violence. Williamson's rise was meteoric. After being selected as the #1 pick in the 2019 NBA draft by the New Orleans Pelicans, he signed multi-million-dollar endorsement deals, graced magazine covers, and became one of the most electrifying young talents in the league. But behind the highlights and high-flying dunks, the lawsuit suggests, lurked a reality far darker than anyone imagined. As of now, neither Williamson nor his legal team has responded publicly to the allegations. The silence has only intensified speculation, and the NBA world is on edge, awaiting any response or legal counteraction. The league itself has not issued a statement, though pressure is mounting for an investigation. Legal experts suggest that the case, depending on how it proceeds, could have serious ramifications for Williamson's career, endorsements, and legacy. More importantly, it could embolden other potential victims of high-profile figures to come forward. The lawsuit does not specify an exact monetary amount in damages but demands a jury trial and seeks accountability for what the plaintiff calls years of inflicted trauma. As the legal proceedings begin, the world will be watching not just to see what becomes of Zion Williamson's career, but to reckon with the ever-growing chorus of voices demanding justice, even when the accused sit atop pedestals built by fame. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share your comment with us in the comment